Hello guys, welcome to another video. So in today's video, I wanted to share with you the mistake that I made for a long time into my business, and I want that you guys don't do that. The mistake is that I was not making sure that the clients that I'm working with, if they're using the systems that we developed or not. Okay, not taking the pain of the client and understanding if we have delivered something to the client, we have delivered according to the requirements of the client, but if they are actively using it or not. Okay, so initially for like first 2 or 3 years, my goal was that bring new leads, build systems for them, build applications for them, web applications, mobile applications, integrations. You do that for them, and once they are developed, deliver them to the client and provide the training so that they can start using it and just leave it there. Okay, so in that case, what was happening, most of the times client don't use it, or they get stuck somewhere and they eventually stop using the system. Okay, they are not focused on this. So that what it does, it basically leaves an opportunity for you to bring more work from that client. Okay, you have built a system for them, you have delivered it, they should start using it, but they didn't do that, and because they didn't use it, there is no maintenance work that you can get from there. Okay, there is a quotation that I've heard from someone, is that for earning more from clients, you have to make sure that their clients are happy. Okay, if my client's client are happy, then they will make sure that I am happy too, I get paid for my work too. So that's why it is very important that if you are building web applications or mobile applications, or if you provide any sort of service to a client, make sure that their clients are happy. Okay, and then they will make sure that you are successful. But I was not doing that. So this is what I recommend you, that when you will start following up with your existing clients to know if they are using a system that you developed or not, and you will make sure that they are satisfied with the product that you have delivered, then there are chances that they will ask you to implement more modules into your into the application that you developed, and that will bring you consistent work. When we started doing this for our clients, what happened was that there was like 25 to 30% work coming from existing clients, sales coming from existing clients. They may recommend you to their friend. Okay, they may ask for adding more features into the existing application that you developed. Okay, so basically now what I do is that when we onboard a client, we share a support plan with them. We give them surety that we want to grow along with you. We want to make sure that you are successful, and once you are successful, you will come back for more things into your business, to be added into the application. When we started adopting this, there was a clear revenue increase that we were doing every month. Okay, so this is what I advise to my viewers too. If you are running a business, make sure that your existing clients are satisfied, and you don't need to bring new leads. You can work on them, but your existing clients are very important for increasing your revenue.